Did you know dinosaurs ruled the Earth for more than 165 million years? That's way before humans ever appeared. These incredible creatures came in all shapes and sizes. Some were as small as chickens, and others were taller than a 5-story building. The word dinosaur means terrible lizard, but not all dinosaurs were scary. Some were gentle plant eaters, called herbivores, while others, like the mighty Tyrannosaurus rex, were fierce meat eaters, carnivores. Imagine walking through a prehistoric forest. You might see a giant brachiosaurus stretching its long neck to munch leaves high up in the trees. Or a triceratops with 3 sharp horns and a big frill, using it to protect itself from predators. Dinosaurs lived everywhere, in forests, deserts, and even near the sea. Some could run super fast, while others moved slowly and peacefully. And guess what? Some dinosaurs had feathers. Yes, that's right. Many scientists believe that modern birds are actually the closest relatives of dinosaurs. So when you see a bird flying by, you're kind of looking at a tiny living dinosaur. But around 65 million years ago, something incredible and sad happened. A massive asteroid hit the Earth, causing huge changes to the planet's climate. Most dinosaurs couldn't survive, and they disappeared forever. Yet, not all was lost, because their relatives, the birds, still live with us today. They carry a piece of the dinosaur world into our skies. Dinosaurs may be gone, but their story still teaches us about life, change, and survival. Every fossil we find is like a secret message from the past, helping us understand the world that came before us. So next time you see a bird or visit a museum full of dinosaur bones, remember, you're standing on the same Earth that once echoed with the footsteps of giants.